guys, Moz here for Moz6510 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. I have received the MiniArt Catalog plastic model kits. If you don't know MiniArt, they do some fantastic 1 to 35 scale tanks and armour. It is a really up and coming, amazing company. Lots going on in this catalogue. Again, it'll be page by page. It'll be filmed in 60 frames HD vision, so that all you have to do, click that cog and pick 1080 for the visuals. My recommendation is that you do that and also put it as full screen so you'll be able to see this bigger. Also, if there's anything you fancy, just press pause and then you can read the whole page and see what's on there. Obviously, go to their website. The catalogue is available to download on their website, but this is a physical copy of the catalogue, and we should do it page by page. So sit back, enjoy, and watch the 2020 MiniArt Catalogue. So that was the MiniArt Catalogue. Obviously you can find this online. There'll be a link in description to their website. There's some fantastic stuff in this catalogue, and there's some brilliant models. I don't really go through the models, through the catalogues after showing models, but they really do think outside the box, i.e. the What If series just looks amazing. These are models that could have been, you know, it's just an incredible thing. You know, you've got the Focke-Wulf Interceptor there, you know, with this like propeller sort of rocket, you know, visionary sort of model there. You know, it's basically what you see there. It's fantastic. Some of the stuff in this catalogue is brilliant. The figures, all 1:35 scale tanks. You know, you can go through, you can even go back through into all their building and accessory series. There is so much in here, so it's worth buying this catalogue. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and you'll ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos. Any comments, any questions, leave them in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.